If you're changing over your closet from summer to winter and your closet suddenly feels empty, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to look stylish and modest without overspending. We'll shop your closet first, use key pieces you already own, and add one or two smart items that multiply your outfits. Hi, I'm Deborah from Kosher Casual. We make comfortable, modest basics you actually live in. Layering tops, long skirts, and cozy layers for real life. Everything today is budget friendly and closet first. No pressure to buy. If warm, modest, practical style is your thing, then tap the like button and subscribe for more tips. The goal isn't more clothes, it's more outfits. Our simple plan is shop your closet, spot the gaps, and add one or two pieces that unlock many looks. Step 1. Closet edit. Set a timer for 15 minutes, pull out your winter players and group them. Tops, long sleeve tees, ribbed knits and layering shells. Bottoms, long skirts, pencil or A-line, and simple dresses. Layers, cardigans, blazers, coatigans, and light jackets. Accessories, scarves, belts, tights, or leggings, and of course boots. Ask yourself, what do I repeat every winter? What actually feels good all day? Which colors do I reach for first? Those answers reveal your core wardrobe, and we'll build around it, not against it. Step 2. Use basics better. Layering tops are outfit engines. Wear them under sleeveless dresses, beneath cardigans or blazers, or with a maxi and straight skirt. A tip: texture near the face, ribbing or soft knit instantly elevates the look. Skirts and dresses, winterize. Start with a black or dark neutral skirt, add an opaque pair of tights or heat tech leggings, boots, a warm base top, and a cardigan or a blazer. Cardigans, blazers, and coatigans. Choose one structured layer. A blazer, one cozy layer, a long cardigan. Small accessories, big impact. Scarf, belts, and simple jewelry add color near your face. Break up large solids and make a basic coat look styled. Find the gaps. Before you buy, ask yourself one question. What one piece would create more outfits from what I already own? Lots of tops, only one winter weight skirt. Great skirts, no warm layer that matches. No boots that truly work with skirts. A mini check. Look at your 3 go-to outfits. What single edition repeats? That's your smart buy. Smart additions. Choose 1 or 2, not all. Neutral winter skirt, black, charcoal navy, or deep brown. Fabric that works with boots. Why? It anchors almost every top. Great neutral layering top, a black, cream, gray, navy, opaque, comfortable, not bulky. Why? It becomes the base for countless looks. Versatile cardigan, pick a shade that fits your closet. Why? Warmth and polish, the outfit finisher. Boots you can actually walk in. Ankle or flat, knee-high in a neutral. Why? Warmer legs, better skirt proportions, instant winter. One joyful accent, a scarf, a cozy hat, or a structured bag. Burgundy is in and beautiful. Why? Tiny spend, big personality. Practical budget tips. Make a tiny list and stick to it. 1 to 3 items this season. Pick a palette, 2 or 3 neutrals, plus 1 or 2 accent colors. Charcoal, camel, burgundy work beautifully. Buy for outfits, not for items. If you can't name 3 looks immediately, it waits. Care beats new. Detail your knits, fix loose hands, steam and reshape. A refreshed piece feels brand new. Use sales and second-hand stores as well. Outfit formulas. Sleek plus simple. Neutral top, black skirt, and a long cardigan, ankle boots, delicate necklace. cozy print mix solid rib top, printed A-line skirt, a coat, knee-high boots, and a knit scarf. Dress winterized, long dress, opaque tights, blazer, or chunky cardigan boots. Slim belt at the waist. Errands to dinner, neutral top, dark skirt, crop jacket, boots, structured bag. Swap the scarf for the earrings at night. You don't need a new wardrobe, you need a plan. Shop your closet, fill one gap. Repeat your favorites with confidence. Question of the video: what's one winter piece you already own that you wear on repeat? If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who loves modest style on a budget. See you next time. Bye bye.